Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title, we're going to be opening up the series 2 Airpods. So I'm really excited about this. I was one of the ones who didn't get the first generation, not because I didn't want them, but simply because I don't think I had the money at the time. Well, they got them in there like secure. Okay, secure. They ain't going nowhere. I appreciate that, Apple. Thank you. So let's just take out the plastic. So here's the box. Let's waste no time opening these up because, y'all, I've been waiting a week since I ordered these to get them. I guess they were sold out in stores, so I had to actually get them shipped to my home. So with the series 2, you have the option of ordering the wireless charging case or just the normal case. I just got the normal case because I mean, I don't plan on buying the what is it called, the thingy that charges like your phone, your AirPods at the same time. It's like a wireless port. I don't plan on buying that, so I just opened them up, and this thing is magnetic, so that's cool. Oh my god, I'm cool, I'm hip, I'm here. I just like how they look, honestly. Like, not for nothing, I had a pair of fake ones, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, and they were bigger than this, but you really couldn't tell that they were fake. And I got them off Amazon. So of course, you know, Apple always gives you like just the instructions, or you know, how to set them up and stuff, and they're in like assorted languages, and then like just their, I guess, manual. But yeah, I was really excited for this release. I don't want to turn them on and like disrupt the video or anything, but I mean, I'm assuming these are just like the first generation. There's a few key differences. I think this one features like, you can say, "Hey Siri," and it'll like recognize your voice. I think the volume or the noise canceling is a little bit better with these. And they also feature a better or a different charging case. So they do run for the same price if you get the normal or the regular charging case. It uses a Apple lightning cable to charge, so that's the same. But overall, I'm just happy that I have them. Once I have used them a couple of times, I'll get back on here and like do a review, but I just wanted to do an unboxing. And yeah, I just look so cool, don't I? Like, hello, yes, this is she. Like, it's just making me feel like so bougetto, and I just love them, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. For the next video, where I just actually do a review on them, how I like them, how they sound, this and that. I also have a tragus piercing, so I'm gonna keep this one in my ear for an extended amount of time, just make sure it doesn't like bother me or anything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. So hey guys, I've been listening with my AirPods for about 2 hours to go. Definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. Buy them right now. Not now, but right now. Alright, bye guys. Catch you in my next one.